I am going to, because this is a small purchase, but I always try to purchase something at least once a year from this brand. And the company is called Necromancy. I have featured this cosmetics brand before on this channel. I will post the video somewhere here, or at the end of the video. They are completely 100% Puerto Rican. They have their main office out in Puerto Rico. They were formed by Puerto Ricans. I am a Latina, proud person of Puerto Rican descent, so I'm always looking for companies, especially those that are formed by Latino, especially Puerto Rican. So I am really excited about this. They came out recently during the holidays. Not holidays, well, Halloween's kind of a holiday, where they came out with a special lipstick shade. Now, this is a company that also recently, if I haven't, they recently redesigned their packaging that you can make them refillable, the lipsticks. So you don't have to always buy the lipstick, container and then buy a whole new one. These are refillable. So that's, eco-friendly. So that's one thing. So here are their matte lipsticks. What I love is that they don't have not just your normal, quote unquote normal, whatever that is, run-of-the-mill color schemes, but they also have very unique colors as well. They don't ascribe to sitting in one particular box when it comes to lipstick shades, which I absolutely adore. Their reds, though, phenomenal. I think one of my favorites is called Magdalena. Really beautiful. Okay. And they even have a build your own palette, because they have a palette series. I have their first one that they came out with before they did the build your palette. But again, the colors are as unique as their lipsticks. Like all these that you see here are also lipstick colors, believe it or not. They truly do step outside of the box. So here's their packaging. Ooh, okay. So going back to, they formed this unique lipstick that is only apparently going to come out once a year around Halloween. So if you missed out ordering this past Halloween, which was its debut, you can always keep a lookout, bookmark, put a reminder in your calendar for the 1st of October to look out for the re-release of this particular shade. And I was one of the ones that, tagged Erin Parsons makeup, because I love how in-depth and how much she has demonstrated her love for the origins of makeup and the chemicals of makeup and perfume. So I just love her aesthetic. So she has been talking about how she misses the flesh-toned colors back in the 90s that apparently a company like MAC used to have. And then they stopped making it, obviously, because people move on. But apparently the trend is going back to not so much 90s, but 2000s, like at the dawn of the millennium. So it was a lot of skin-toned lipsticks. I have not really worn those. That's not really my style. I'm more of the vibrant, bold, deep, rich tones of reds, deep pinks, even some, I would say, purples, but mostly in the red and pink zone, but deep pink. And I have had orange. So it was interesting to say, you know what? It's a new time, a new year. Let's start off with a different aesthetic. So without further ado. Okay. So I just wanted to show you the packaging here. So this is what it looks like now. And this looks like the packaging that used to be the box. I'm going to show, I'll have a video somewhere here of the prior incarnations of Necromancy, but that is their lovely design. That's their logo. And it just feels really nice. I just want to see if there's anything in here. No, this is the actual packaging. So this is going to be a learning experience for you and for me. Look at the inside. It's very dramatic, right? Like that. Okay. So that's that. And I think this, I'm not sure. I think this might be another one of this. Yep. So there's two. Nice. And I think this is 3. Okay, so we see that there. That's really cool. Now, I bought 3 lipsticks, so I'm going to show you. Here's the first one. See that there? I don't have my glasses on, so I will write below what it is since I can't really see on camera what that is. I'm trying to zoom it in and it won't respond. Okay, but this is the tube of lipstick that goes into one of these. Lovely, it's so cute. And then plus you see what the tone of the color is. This is more like a brownish red. So I'm really excited about that. Okay. So this is the cartridge. The lipstick, you can see through here. Again, I'm trying to, that color looks gorgeous. And then there's this outer thing. So I think it needs to go in here because this is the bottom of the package. And I believe this is the top. So just going to put it in like so. Oh, and you twist it. I think. No. Does it work like that? Talk to me. Or is this the top? This could be the top. This is interesting. I'm going to try this way. Let's see if it happens. Okay. Is it this way? Okay. Ooh, I got to be careful. Be careful when you do this because you don't want it to poke out. You don't want the lipstick to poke out if you can help it. Yep, there it goes. So do it gently so you don't end up smushing your lipstick. That color is gorgeous. It is amazing. Ooh. Okay. And then you just, it goes right in. And then you put this lovely top. Okay. What am I searching for? It's interesting. I don't know how I feel about this. The other ones I think were magnetic. So there you go. I think that's how it works. It snaps on nicely. I just don't like that it's loose like this. But okay, that's the first one. The next one I have here, ooh, this is another one. Look at that one. It says, what does it say? Oof, I don't know. I can't read that. I don't have my glasses on. My reading glasses, where are they? I don't know. But again, this is another barrel. I'm just wondering if I'm doing this right. Because if I put it in this way, it doesn't have the, it has a piece to hold on. But, let's see. You just have to be gentle. Yeah, it doesn't feel right. So I'm going to do it this way. This seems more accessible. Let's see. Easy. Again, you got to be careful. See? And then it pokes it right out. So you don't want to smush it. Oh my God, that's so pretty. See, but here's the thing. This is so weird. Like I'm trying to smush it in before turning. There we go. Oh, it's a gorgeous color. So pretty. And again, the second case. The third one, last but not least. This is the one that I'm talking about. Okay. This is the one. And I'm going to get my reading glasses. I have to read this. Okay, I got my trusty little reading glasses on. Hopefully this will be able to read better. And this is Osamenta. Look at it's basically flesh toned. Okay, just saying. The other one that I just want to mention, the other two colors, because I'm sure you can read it there. This one is called Bish Witch. Okay, and then the final one is my fave. And I had to get it again. It's the Magdalena. Just saying. Okay, so back to this trend of trying to go back to flesh toned or very nude lips, but circa 2000. Okay, so here's the case for it. Beautiful. Putting this in there like so. This is more accessible to me. Okay, and we turn carefully, take it off. Oh, there we go. You have to click it in. That's why it felt loose to me. So once you turn it, then you press in, and it's, oh my gosh, look at that color. It's like, what? And I heard recently that they may have changed the formula just a tad. Maybe it's creamier, I don't know, but it feels a little creamier going on. It feels a little more forgiving. But do you see that there? Hello. That is amazing. But it still has that kind of crayonish smell. So let's see if this, see what I mean? This snaps in nicely. So before you decide, I'm going to go all in, just be gentle until you figure it out, because you don't want to inadvertently ruin your makeup. So we just click this in, from what I gather. This is what I'm reading. It feels like it's going in. There we go, right? See. Feels like it's going in. Much better. There we go. Much better. See? These are really cute. And I'm always so grateful when I'm able to, at least support in any way that I can feasibly with my pocketbook for Latin-owned, Latin-fronted brands. And this one is particularly delightful simply because it was born, created, and fronted by Puerto Ricans in Puerto Rico. So, and they do have a store out there. If you ever care to visit, if you're ever in Puerto Rico, you may want to stop by and scoop up some of the lipsticks and some of the palettes, or create your own. So I'm thrilled. Should I wear one of these? Let me try the Osamenta one, just because this was the big deal. This is the Halloween shade. In case you're wondering if it provides pigmentation, it most certainly does. And I guess it could be used as not so much a canceling, but like something that will lighten a shade. Now I'm putting this on. Traditionally, how it's put on is that your lips is usually lined with a liner, like a deeper, like brown or taupe. It does feel creamy. I just feel like I just came outside from a very frosty, frosty day. But if you want to see how this is truly done and how to make it truly look amazing, I would check out Erin Parsons makeup. I'll post her thing here. She's on YouTube. She's incredible. I'm going to go over another shade because this is looking a little too intense for me. Let me try this one. This might come out a little. I love that it has like a little dent. You see the little dent in there? Love it. So lower a little so it doesn't. And then look how it totally changes the color. And look at that. Oh my God. For lack of a better term, you know. I'm just going to show you. This is what the color really looks like as opposed to what you see here. But it changed because of the light color from Osamenta. Look at that. It looks like an Easter pink. I'm just saying. And the color payoff is amazing. Amazing. Oh my goodness. You know? I am really, the only thing that I wish that I don't see on here is that the containers, since they're refillable, you would have to initially, I guess, peel off these little things to put on. Other, you know, I mean, that's just me being nitpicky, you know, because in the original ones, it was already set in the container and it would have the color on the bottom. But these, they don't, for the sake of universality. Is that a word? I don't know. But instead, you just would have to open to look to see, am I wearing, you know, which color is this? So that's the only thing I don't like. This is Magdalena. This is the color I live and breathe for. I mean, that, look at that red. I just want to show you what it looks like. I'll do it here real quick. So you can put it on as light as you want, or red. I'm always in pursuit for the perfect red. And Necromancy has some of the best. So there you are. What do you think? Have you been made aware of the recent trend, thanks to Erin Parsons, about going back to those flesh-toned nudes, flesh tone type, more flesh tone type of lipsticks that apparently were really popular in the beginning of the 2000s? Let me know in the comments section below what you think. Have you picked up Osamenta? Again, let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know if you've ever been aware of Necromancy Cosmetics, because if you have been to this channel, you would have known about them. Again, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure with Necromancy Cosmetica. That's the true name. And I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.